National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Ellis County in north-central Texas, southeastern Dallas County in north-central Texas, northwestern Kaufman County in north-central Texas, until 7:45 p.m. At 7:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Combine, or 9 miles south of Seagoville, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Crandall and Combine around 7:25 p.m. Seagoville around 7:30 p.m. Talty around 7:35 p.m. Forney around 7:40 p.m. Sunnyvale around 7:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Lawrence and Drosser. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 482 and 497. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.